Part one of this KITFOX panel build is going to be me going through and doing the diagram for the main power section. I already did the panel design in AutoCAD. I didn't think about tracking this whole thing and recording it until after I'd already had that done. So I'm going to be recording all of the diagram builds. Like I said, this one is just the main power section: starter solenoid, master solenoid, alternator, master power switch going in the primary bus, all that good stuff, simple stuff. It's just going to be mostly laying out the parts and building some of the parts, because not everything in KiCad is really fit for doing a lot of this stuff, and it's easier just to go ahead and build them. I got it sped up. It was about an hour and a half worth of recording at normal speed, so I sped it up times 8 so that way it would go a little bit quicker. I'm not going to talk over the whole thing, just kind of give you some rundown on what's going on with this particular one. If you watch to the end, like I said, you're not going to get to see a whole lot just yet. This is strictly just the main power section. The next one will be starting on the avionics section, which is going to include 2 G5s, GTX 335, GNS 255, and then an Era 660. All those parts, I'm going to lay out the wiring for those. Since this is an experimental, I'm able to get all that stuff and get it in this aircraft without having to deal with getting stuff from Garmin. I can get all the parts in that real easily. My KiCad skills are not necessarily the best, so bear with me through this. I'm sure it'll get better as time goes on. I'm sure there's way better ways to do a lot of the stuff that you see me doing, but it'll get the job done. In between diagram builds, hopefully within the next month, I should be able to start recording, putting the actual panel together. We're waiting on funds from the owner to order all the parts so we can get those on hand and start building the panel up. The panel's already cut, the test panel's already cut. And we're test fitting a few things, and then we're going to get the final panel cut, and then just need parts in hand. And we'll start fitting all those. This video's almost 12 minutes, so if you want to watch the whole thing, then feel free. Like I said, not much. This is just getting the ball rolling on actually recording this whole process and making it happen. So we'll see how it goes. Not too sure on how I'm going to do the actual build video yet, but we'll figure it out and make it happen. So hope you enjoy this, and we'll get the next diagram probably in the next 3 days or so. So enjoy.